today we are talking about the best AI courses on Coursera and which ones are actually worth your time. There are hundreds of AI courses available, and honestly, most people get confused about where to start. So, in this video, I will simplify everything and show you only the courses that give real value based on the structure, usefulness, and learning outcome. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and help you learn skills that actually make money. If you want to explore these courses, I have shared helpful links in the description. Make sure you subscribe this channel and don't forget to use those links so any free trials or benefits get applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. After testing and analyzing multiple options on Coursera, I found that not all courses are equal. Some are too basic, some are too technical, and some are just not practical. But a few courses really stand out. The first one is AI for Everyone from Deep Learning AI. This is one of the best beginner-friendly courses. If you don't have a technical background, this course helps you understand what is actually AI and how it is used in real business. It focuses more on concepts, not coding, which makes it perfect for beginners. It is also one of the highest rated courses on the platform. The second one is Machine Learning Specialization. It is also from Deep Learning AI. This is more practical and includes real machine learning concepts like supervised learning, regression, and neural network. According to many learners, this is one of the best structured courses to start machine learning from scratch. Okay, let's talk about the third one. And the third one is Google AI Essentials by Google. This course is focused on real-world uses. It teaches you how to use AI tools in daily work like writing, researching, and productivity. It is very practical and beginner friendly, especially if you want to apply AI quickly in your job. The fourth one is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by IBM. This is another beginner course, but it goes a little deeper into AI concepts like machine learning, deep learning, and data science. It is a good balance between theory and understanding how AI works. Next, the fifth one is Deep Learning Specialization. Again, it is from Deep Learning AI. This is more advanced and focuses on neural networks, computer vision, and sequence models. If you want to go deeper into AI and build real project, this course is very valuable. Now here is something very important. According to Coursera data, AI courses now cover topics like natural language processing, deep learning, and real-world problem solving, and they are used by millions of learners globally. Also, new programs from companies like Google are focusing more on practical AI skills, not just theory. Now, let's talk about how to choose the right course. If you are a complete beginner, you can start with AI for Everyone or Google AI Essentials. If you want to learn actual machine learning, then you can go for the Machine Learning Specialization. And if you want advanced skills, then Deep Learning Specialization is the best option. These five are the best combination of beginner-friendly, practical, and career-focused learning. So that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.